So if you had enabled Playtime Tracker and you wish to find out the amount of time you have spent on EA Sports, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your EA Sports and then log in with your account and click on it here, and under this go to settings. Now under settings, go ahead and choose my Playtime. If you click on this, you will be able to see this Playtime dashboard. Your data will be here according to the days of the week. You can also filter this according to the week, and also you can manage this here according to weekdays or even weekends. So you can set your Playtime here as you wish, so as to limit yourself. So that's how you can find the amount of playtime you have spent on EA Sports. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.